Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 713-701-9477 to start now. Welcome home. Amazing 3-bedroom 2-bath spacious home in the highly desired Alvin Community. This beautiful home has been well maintained. Fresh exterior paint, indoor laundry, walk-in closet in master bedroom, lots of closet space in each bedroom, enclosed patio, and a back patio perfect for entertaining guests. Fenced backyard and an extra shed 12 by 12 with a loft for storage plus air conditioner and electric. It also has a covered porch 8 by 12. Not to mention this home offers excellent curb appeal with a brick exterior. This is a great property in an established neighborhood. Don't miss this. Call for more information on this home today.